What's up guys, this is Jess. I'm Jess Alex.
Jess down here.
Yep, it's another episode of shoe unboxing.
Yeah, as you can see, today we are at a new place for unboxing a shoe.
Yep.
Okay?
That doesn't matter.
Hey, matter.
This is the thing now.
Yes, okay. So you can see today we are unboxing a VANS shoe.
Yes.
Okay.
As usual.
The shoe box is the same, red color.
Yep, red
And
color, the red stripe.
What's the shoe?
Yep, today the shoe we are unboxing is Vincent Van Gogh.
Okay, so I bought this shoe last week. This shoe launched at 30th of July.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a sudden drop. It dropped after 2 days release of WTAPS. So it's a very sudden drop, very surprisingly. A lot of people buying this. I don't know why. Maybe it's a general release and limited pairs. Who knows? Everyone is buying it. I don't know why. But still, we managed to get it 2 pairs.
Anyway, why Vincent Van Gogh? Why? Okay, so to explain, to let you guys know a little bit of the info, Vincent Van Gogh is a artist. It's a painting artist. Okay, was born in this French or Netherlands. Oh, I think it's Netherlands. It's Dutch paint artist. So this is the collaborate with the Van Gogh Museum, which means the museum that always have their own paintings, all the painting stuff.
I think they collab because of their names.
Yeah, Van Gogh. I think everyone who know arts who probably will know who is Van Gogh. So I heard Van Gogh have this very famous very famous painting. I think it's called the Portraits. The Portraits is the most famous one, because I remember when I was in this art school or something, and then when I was in this history class.
You studied art?
I studied art. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
Just to let you guys know, I studied arts before, a little bit. Yeah. So I think everyone will know this painting, the Portraits by Vincent Van Gogh. So if you guys don't know, I will link down there, then you guys can go and check it out. Yeah, down there. Okay?
Let's take a look at the shoes.
Yes, take a look at the shoe.
The one I'm holding is the slip-on. Then the one Alex holding one is old school. Okay?
Yeah. This is the shoe itself. Look at the paint.
The paint of the both sides is different. It's different.
Yeah.
So you have to take both. It's different. As you can see, the both sides of the slip-on of the scarf is different. Okay?
Look at it.
This one also different, yes. Because, okay, this collab, the special thing is they display all the oil painting by Vincent. They put their painting into the shoe. So you can see this one is one of the Vincent's paint. This one also. There also another is the portrait, the letter. Then got another SK8. Okay, that one is all his painting.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's talk about the shoe itself now. Okay. As you can see this is the old school version, and then have all these Van Gogh painting right all over the shoe.
This the most special one of this old school is this is the first time I saw Vans put the midsole. Even the midsole is covered with
the paint.
The paint, and the quality is the canvas. This is the first time. You can see detailing. There's a gap between the gum sole and midsole. Okay, this is the first time they do this. The first time I saw this. Okay. Because normally you can see the other old school is covered with white midsole like this, like normal white midsole, right? This is the first time I see they do this.
You know, I'm thinking why are they designing this thing? You know why? Because they don't want to let the paint hurt. You jangan kotorkan itu painting lah.
So they make
that's why they make this.
Make a gap between the gum sole and the midsole.
Yeah, as usual, you still have the Vans logo back there.
Yeah.
And then they have some very nice, fancy inside look in the insole. Some painting. they have this they title it Van Gogh Museum Amsterdam with the Vans. As usual, the sole is still the same.
Gum sole.
Gum sole, yeah, it's the gum sole, still the same. And yeah, that's it.
And for this pair, the both side is different. It's the thing I mentioned just now. And inside is the same with the other pairs. Everything is covered with details. And at the side of the shoe, you can see there's some letter, quite similar with the letter slip-on. Okay.
Maybe it's a letter for the loved ones.
Who knows?
Who knows?
But they came with a special tag.
Oh yeah, special tips with this. They have some details of the story of the painting, everything's here. So you guys can check it out.
Okay. So for the pricing of this pair, for the slip-on is 282. Already includes 0 GST.
Okay, for the old school, it's 376 for this retail price.
Yes, retail
Yeah.
price is very affordable
Yeah.
for a special collab.
Yeah. So overall of the shoe, how do you think?
I think this pair is a good pair. The design is very creative. Okay, but if you want me to buy a pair to rock for myself, I think I won't buy it because it's not
I think
my
this
style.
definitely is for a collection.
Collection purpose lah. Collection purpose will buy.
You just collect and then leave it in your room, watch
Like
update,
display like
then
that.
display.
You hide like that.
Yeah.
Hide like that.
You hang.
You hang
Okay,
like
hang
that.
also can.
Yes, also can.
Because this thing absolutely is an art lah. It's a painting, it's an art from Vincent van Gogh causing the Vans. So I think it's definitely a good collection for the Vans fans. Yeah,
yes.
so I think for me, if you ask me how much I like the shoe,
I really
I mean like which pair you like? Which pair you like?
I like this.
Definitely I also like this.
I like this.
Yeah. So if for this, actually for this, I quite like this also, but not that much as this. For this, I will give like 7 of 10 if I like how much I like this shoe. 7 of 10. For this, it's like 9 over 10.
For me, this is
Yeah.
8.
8. For me, it's 9.
Okay.
It's quite vintage, and you can wear with those all vintage clothing stuff.
Yeah.
But,
Yes.
so today's video ends like this.
Okay.
So if you like our video, please give us thumbs up.
if you don't like our video, please share to your friends and family and who else, everyone you know.
Yeah. Remember to subscribe to our Jets channel.
And
And-
open your.
What they call? Notification.
Okay.
Okay, we see you guys next time.
Bye.
Fuck the rules.